The Sabrimala temple reopens for the first time since the second wave of COVID pandemic. The Ayyappa Shrine Committee has laid down rules for devotees who are going to be attending the evening prayers. To avoid overcrowding, only 5,000 devotees are going to be allowed over a 5-day period through virtual queue system. Devotees are going to be allowed to trek uphill only from morning. A COVID negative certificate, a completion vaccination is mandatory for the entry into Sabrimala Shrine. The Kerala government has come under fire over its decision to reopen Sabrimala. This at a time when COVID cases are continuously increasing across the state.
2 ഡോസ് വാക്സിനേഷൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ 72 മണിക്കൂറിനുള്ളിൽ എടുത്ത RT-PCR നെഗറ്റീവ് സർട്ടിഫിക്കറ്റ് ഉള്ള ആളുകളെയാണ് ഇത്തവണ ശബരിമലയിൽ മാസപൂജയ്ക്ക് പ്രവേശിക്കാൻ അനുവദിക്കുക. പരമാവധി 5000 ആളുകളെ വെർച്വൽ ക്യൂ സംവിധാനം വഴി പ്രവേശിപ്പിക്കാനാണ് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്.
We are expecting the Sabrimala will open for the people, those who are fasting for 41 days or 15 days. By luck, with the God grace, is open. Actually, we have a maximum limitation is there. 5,000 people only is allowed to enter, and they are given the time schedule 1 hour 6 to 7. We can take the slot in the virtual queue app.
Gopi Krishnan Unithan is reporting from Sabrimala, and Kerala is now joining us with the very latest details. Gopi, one would view this as Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan's appeasement politics, given the fact that you are allowing 5,000 devotees over a period of 5 days. That's not a small number when it comes to the pandemic and the looming threat of the third wave, with the Delta variant and whatnot looming large at the moment.
Well, Cheti, very good morning. Right now we are in Sabrimala. I'm right outside the Sabrimala Sanctum Sanctorum, or the shrine where the most of the pujas happen. So today is the first day when devotees are allowed as part of the monthly puja. Initially there were a little confusion regarding the total number of devotees that are going to be allowed and the regulations which are in place for the devotees. So the Travancore Devasam Board has clarified that it is not 5,000 over a period of 5 days. 5,000 up to 5,000 devotees will be allowed on each day, and to avoid overcrowding, devotees have been given a provision to book yourself. Well, Cheti, considering the COVID situation in Kerala, that certainly is a cause of concern. But certainly we need to understand the infrastructure and the actual crowd management in Sabrimala. Sabrimala is a temple where usually we would have about 1 lakh devotees coming and offering prayers in a single day. That is what happens during the actual puja. And what you just saw in your visuals is the sacred or the holy 18 steps. And the devotees, we can actually see here, it's more or less deserted except for these few devotees over here. Where anybody who has come to Sabrimala during the festive season can actually understand the situation here, that this is more or less deserted. And considering the regulations, including the COVID-19 negative certificate or 2 doses of vaccination, the number of devotees are more or less less, even though the government has allowed.
That is good to hear that the number of devotees are less, but the fact of the matter is Kerala is going through approximately 12,000 positive cases a day at the moment. The pandemic is not over as yet, and then now the clarification coming in that 5,000 devotees, up to 5,000 devotees in one day are going to be allowed in the Sabrimala Shrine in a pandemic. These are big questions that the government needs to answer, whether this is even important at the moment or whether tackling the COVID crisis is more important right now. For now, thanks Gopi for joining us.